Alright guys, it's time for some Disney Tsum Tsum Surprise Eggs. Let's start with the red egg. Doot doot doo 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 doo. What's inside the red egg? And inside the red egg we have Tinkerbell, Peter Pan's little fairy friend, flying around, distracting Captain Hook, all that good stuff. Next we have, first we gotta get the Tinkerbell situated. Next we have the yellow egg, and inside the yellow egg we have Chip from Chip and Dale's Rescue Rangers, or just from all the old Disney cartoons. But that's Chip of Chip and Dale fame. Next up is the blue egg. And who do we got inside the blue egg? It's Suzy. Suzy from Cinderella. Cinderella, Cinderella. At least I think that's where Suzy's from. And lastly, the orange egg. Who do we have in the orange egg? It's Angel from Lilo and Stitch. Hello, Angel. And there we are. That's the four of them in these surprise eggs. We have Tinkerbell, Chip, Suzy, and Angel. Alright, remember, subscribe and like for more surprise eggs. We will see you guys next time.